Hi guys, in the last video we saw how to use various string functions. In this video we're gonna see how to receive an user input. Now for example, I want to write a code for simple addition. So I define a variable a which is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 and c is equal to a plus b, and I say print C. Now whenever I run the code, the answer will always be 30 and it won't change unless I change the value of A and B within the code. Now through user input, through user input, we can prompt the user to give us a value for the variable a and b. So we can write a is equal to int, which stands for integer. We have to specify the type of value we want to receive. So right now we want an integer. So it we write int, open a bracket, input, open another bracket, and then double quotes and say enter first number, then close the brackets. Now in the for b we do the same, int, open close bracket, input, again open and close bracket, and type enter second number. Now when I run this code, I get a prompt like this, enter first number, so I can put any value I want, for example 23 and 44. Yeah, so the addition is 67. So this is how you can prompt the user to a enter values for variables of his or her own choice. Now we can also do the same for subtraction, like d is equal to a minus b, print d. Then we can say e is equal to a multiplied by b, print e. Now if we run the code, we have made a very basic calculator. So 30 and 15. As you can see, the addition is 45, the subtraction is 15, and the multiplication is 450. So to not get confused with our answers, we can also put strings in our answers. For example, this is for the sum, so sum is equal to comma, and this is the difference. Difference is equal to comma, and this is the product of a and b, so product is equal to. Now it is very clear. Now let's run the code. 39, 12. As you can see, the sum is 51, the difference is 27, and the product is 468. So this is how you prompt a user to put values in variables, and this is also called user input. So this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.